Very good morning, children. Children, today is the last day of our session. So, once again, children, we will revise all objectives. Since in the last session we had done the revision of answer the following. Okay, children? So, this time we will do the revision of all objectives. Fill in the blanks. The propagation of sound does not occur through a dash. Your answer is vacuum. Second one, noise pollution is a dash issue. Social. Third one, the sound which is disagreeable to our ears is called as dash. Noise pollution. Fourth one, noise has adverse effects on our dash. Your answer is health. Next, the dash of an object is necessary for the production of sound. Vibration. Okay. Sixth one, the object due to which the sound is produced is called as the dash of that sound. Your answer is source. Next, the intensity of the sound is measured in a unit called dash. Your answer is decibel. Next, true or false, sound is propagated more clearly through a liquid than through air. Your answer is true. Second one, it is heard most clearly through vacuum. Your answer is false. Sound is said to be propagated when sound waves spread to one direction from a source of sound. Your answer is false. Fourth one, vacuum means an empty space from where air is partially removed. Your answer is true. Noise pollution occurs when we hear one or many sounds useful to the ear. Your answer is false. Next, pigeon produces a sound by rubbing its legs together while flying in the air. Your answer is false. We should avoid blowing the horn. Your answer is true. And last, a loud sound is harsh to the ear and such sounds produce noise. Your answer is true again. Okay, children? Next, yes, match the column. Horns of the vehicles. Your answer is option number D, that is unpleasant sound. Whispering. Option number C, pleasant sound. Vocal cords. B, produces sound. And unit of sound A, decibel. Name the following. It is required for the production of sound. Your answer is vibration. Next, it is required for the propagation of sound. Your answer is medium. Next, it is disagreeable, irregular and loud. Your answer is noise. Fourth one, they recognize the sound of an earthworm in the soil. Your answer is robin. And fifth, it is an empty space from where air is partially removed. Your answer is vacuum. Okay. Next, heavy traffic and industrial areas cause the dash noise pollution. Your answer is maximum. Second, noise is a disagreeable, irregular and loud. Third, a medium is required for the propagation of sound. Fourth, the flapping of wings of the bee or the mosquito produces a dash sound. Your answer is humming sound. Next, dash occurs when we hear one or many sounds harmful to our ears? Your answer is noise pollution. Okay. Next, lesson number 14, objectives. The objects that are not sources of light themselves are called as dash, non-luminous objects. Second one, some man-made objects or materials emitting light are called as dash, artificial sources of light. Third, dash is a natural source of light. Honey mushroom. Dash travels in a straight line. Light. Dash are luminous. Stars. Okay, children. Next, candle. Option number C. Artificial source. Fireflies. Option number E. Natural source. Shadow of evening. Option number D. Long. Shadow of afternoon. Option number B. Short. And wood. Option number A. Opaque substance. Okay. Classify as luminous and non-luminous objects. Okay. Sun, fireflies, anglerfish, and honey mushroom are luminous objects, whereas plastic, wood, and iron sheet are non-luminous objects. True or false? The sun is the main and natural source of light. True. Stars are non-luminous. False. Light travels in a straight line. True. The material through which light passes is said to be translucent. False. The material through which the light passes partially is said to be translucent. True. Okay. Find the odd man out. Sun, fireflies, honey mushroom, and electric bulb. Your answer is electric bulb. Second one, tube light, electric bulb, electric torch, and sun. Your answer is sun. Right whether right or wrong. First, fireflies are examples of natural sources of light. Your answer is right. Second, the shadow of an object due to sunlight is long in the afternoon. Your answer is wrong. Third, transparent objects form the shadow. Your answer is wrong. Next, white sunlight contains 7 colors. Your answer is right. Next, if an opaque object obstructs the path of light, it casts a shadow. Your answer is right. Then is match the following. Mirror, option number C. Reflection. Firefly, option number D. Luminous. Pinhole camera is option number B. Inverted image. And moon, option number A. Non-luminous. Okay. Then is fill in the blanks. A dash is a natural source of light. Your answer is star. A dash is an artificial source of light. Your answer is candle. Third one, when light passes through a prism, it gets separated into dash colors. Your answer is 7. Next, the image obtained in a pinhole camera is dash. Your answer is inverted. Fifth one, a shadow is formed when a dash object comes in the way of light. Your answer is opaque. Sixth one, when a dash object comes in the way of light, light passes through it. Transparent and through. Okay, children. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash wrote a book called Optics. Your answer is Sir Isaac Newton. Next, the book Optics is about dash. Your answer is light. Third one, sunlight is made up of dash colors. Your answer is 7. D part. Dash found out Raman effect. Your answer is Sir C.V. Raman. Next, 28 February is celebrated as Dash Day, National Science Day. And next, the largest dash is at Jantar Mantar, sundial. Okay, children. Next is classify as transparent, opaque, or translucent. Okay, so first from here we'll see transparent objects: glass, then air, okay, and water. These all are transparent objects. Then translucent, tinted glass, white plastic, oil paper, sheet of a notebook, okay children, and wax paper. And opaque objects are wooden door, tea kettle, a notebook, and a wooden cupboard. Okay, so all these are opaque substances. Next, find the odd man out. Glass, notebook, pen, kettle. Your answer is glass. White plastic, wax paper, oil paper, wooden door. Your answer is wooden door. Planet, satellite, stars, wooden door. Your answer is wooden door. Star, lighted candle, electric torch, and planet. Your answer is star. Air, water, glass, notebook. Your answer is notebook. Okay, children. Next, fill in the blanks. If a bar magnet is hung by a thread tied at the center, its north pole becomes steady in the direction of the dash pole of the earth, south. Your answer. Okay. Second, if a bar magnet is cut into equal parts by cutting it at right angles to its axis at the two planes, dash bar magnets are formed. 2 and a total of 6 poles are formed. Okay, children. Next, there is repulsion between the like poles of a magnet and attraction between its opposite ends. Okay. Next, when a magnetic material is taken close to a magnet, the material acquires dash. Your answer is induced magnetism. Okay. Next, if a magnet attracts a piece of a metal, then that piece must be magnetic material or iron. Okay, children. Next, a magnet remains steady in a dash direction, north-south direction. Okay. Next, classify as magnetic and non-magnetic. Magnetic materials are iron, cobalt, and nickel, and non-magnetic materials are sand, pieces of paper, and sawdust. True or false? The materials that stick to a magnet are called as magnetic materials. Your answer is true. The rock was named magnetite after Magnus the shepherd. True. A magnet always settles in southeast direction. False. The magnetic force is concentrated at the center of a magnet. False. There is attraction between the like poles of a magnet. False. Electromagnetism is temporary. True. Michael Faraday developed the technique of producing electricity with the help of a magnet. True. Name the following. The materials that stick to the magnet, magnetic materials. The materials that do not stick to the magnet, non-magnetic materials. Any two magnetic materials, iron and cobalt. Any two non-magnetic materials, sand and sawdust. Any two shapes of a magnet, bar magnet, button magnet. The end of a magnet that points to the north, south pole. Next is match the following. Like poles is option number E, repulsion. Unlike poles, option number D, attraction. Third is Alnico. Option number A, mixture of aluminium, nickel and cobalt. There is North Pole. Option number B is indicated by an And fifth, south pole, option number C, indicated by S. Okay, children. Next, which magnet will you use? Iron is to be separated from trash. Electromagnet. You are lost in a forest. Mariner's compass. A window shutter opens and shuts continuously in the wind. Permanent magnet. Okay, right or wrong? Electromagnetic energy is used in our day-to-day life, right? Wood protects the magnet, wrong. Permanent magnets are made from a mixture of aluminum and sand, wrong. Lodestones lead to the invention of mariner's compass, right? Sawdust is a magnetic material, wrong. Okay, children. And last, fill in the blanks. Dash energy is used in our day-to-day life. Electromagnetic. Second, the bar of a soft iron protecting a magnet is called as magnet keeper. Third one, dash, dash and dash are magnetic materials, iron, cobalt and nickel. Fourth one, the dash of a magnet cannot be separated. Your answer is poles. And fifth one, magnetism is concentrated near the poles or ends. Okay, children. So, with this we have completed the whole revision of science. Okay. Thank you.